MSc final students, hello. Today we shall discuss about the order of events. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the um, changing the polarity, synthons, what is reagents, and now we have to choose one route rather than another, and what is the order in which the reaction is carried out. So in this I have taken an example. This benzene reaction is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation in presence of acid, and on the benzene ring this alkyl group is attached. After that Friedel-Crafts alkylation, sulfonation takes place. सी यहाँ पर यदि एल्किल ग्रुप हमने पहले ऐड किया और बाद में इसका सल्फोनेशन किया, यदि हम इसका सल्फोनेशन पहले कर लें और उसके बाद में यदि इसका एल्काइलेशन करेंगे, व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस? सो द डिफरेंस इज alkyl group is, because we know that alkyl group is electron donating group, and it makes the sulfonation easier rather than another route in which this sulfonic acid group, this SO3H group, is deactivating and meta directing, so we cannot synthesize this the compound number 1. So in this regard, the order of event, there is some guidelines we have to follow for the synthesis of organic compounds. So before that, we just look at the groups which is orthopara directing and the group which is meta directing. So orthopara directing groups are R2NH, R2N NH2, then RO group, OH group, alkynyl group, aryl group, alkyl group, COO minus group, H, and halides. These are the orthopara directing groups, and these groups activate the benzene ring by electron donating effect. And the meta directing groups are CX3, that is X. X means fluoride or chloride, COOH group, COR group, CHO group, SO3H group, and NO2 group. These are deactivating groups, and because these are electron withdrawing groups. So now we shall take one by one guideline for the order of events. The first guideline is that सी इस एग्जाम्पल में, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3, इसमें हम देखेंगे कि इसमें देर इज़ 2 ग्रुप्स, one is acyl group and another is alkyl group. So यदि हम if we follow the route A and A, then we get the synthons alkyl bromide and acyl benzene. If we follow the group B, if we follow the disconnection of B, then we get the synthon alkyl benzene and acyl halide. सो यहाँ पर देखिए कि जो आपका ये जो एसाइल ग्रुप है, एसाइल ग्रुप वी नो दैट मेटा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप, एंड एल्किल ग्रुप इज ऑर्थो डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप. तो मेटा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप में यदि हम फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट एल्काइलेशन कराते हैं तो हमारे को we don't get the right product, because acyl group is meta directing group and the incoming group alkyl group will come to the at the meta position, so we did not get the right product. So we prefer and follow the B route B, in which first we disconnect the acyl group and then we disconnect the alkyl group. So after that we'll get the right orientation of the functional group. So यहाँ पर देखिए, this is the synthetic route for this compound number 3, benzene group. Benzene compound, first we synthesize the alkyl benzene by the Friedel-Crafts alkylation in presence of alkyl bromide and AlCl3, and after that Friedel-Crafts acylation in presence of acyl chloride, MeCOCl and AlCl3. Then we get the 86% yield of the compound number 3, because there is also a steric hindrance of alkyl group, so there is no ortho acyl group. So it gives the starting material which would react in right orientation, since ketonic group in path A is meta directing. And this guideline second is, if there is a choice for disconnection, so if there is choice, disconnect first, that is add last the most electron withdrawing substituent. Means यहाँ पर यदि किसी भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में आपको मोर देन वन फंक्शन ग्रुप होते दिखाई देते हैं या मिलते हैं, देन आपको सबसे पहले इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉविंग सब्स्टिट्यूएंट का डिस्कनेक्शन करना है. ठीक है. सो वी शैल टेक एन एग्जाम्पल like this. There is 5 functional groups, like 2 nitro groups in compound number 4, 2 nitro groups, 1 methoxy group, 1 tertiary butyl group and 1 methyl group. So what we do the disconnection first by the CN bond, means NO2 group disconnect first, and after that we get this kind of synthone. This synthone is also disconnected by 2 paths, A and B. Path A gives not right synthones, because in path A there is a disconnection of methyl group. Then we get the tertiary butyl and methoxy group at ortho position. So in methoxy group is strongly ortho para directing, so only the tertiary butyl disconnection is reasonable, because tertiary butyl group जो है यहाँ पर आपके ज़्यादा इसका जो फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट रिएक्शन है वो ज़्यादा एक्टिवेटिंग होता है बजाय कि मिथाइल ग्रुप से. और मिथॉक्सी ग्रुप इज़ ऑल्सो ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टिंग एंड एक्टिवेटिंग ग्रुप. So the compound number 5 is methyl ether of readily available metacresol and can be made by the methylating agent MEO2 SO2 plus base, or methylating agent Me2SO4. For the synthesis of this compound number 4, first we take metacresol by the use of methylating agent and base. We this OH group converted into MEO group, and then we synthesize the tertiary butyl benzene group by Friedel-Crafts alkylation, tertiary butyl chloride, AlCl3. Then we nitratate this compound by the nitrating agent HNO3 and H2SO4. Then we get the right product of compound number 4. The guideline third is that if there is a possibility of FGI, means FGI is needed, means function group interconversion is needed, then it can be or it may be well alter the directing effect of the group. Means ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप मीन्स आप जो है जैसे एमी ग्रुप है, एमी ग्रुप ऑर्थो मीन्स मिथाइल ग्रुप है, वो आपका ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप है, उसको आपको कन्वर्ट करना है मेटा डायरेक्टिंग में. देन एमी ग्रुप कन्वर्टेड इनटू COOH group, that is meta directing. Me group also can be converted into CCl3 and CF3, and meta directing group like NO2 group can be converted into NH2 group by the reduction of NO2 group. That is NH2 group is also ortho para directing. And if you want to convert alcohol and alcohol or phenol to convert it into tertiary butyl ether, then there is a stirring hindrance. If there is a possibility to create a stirring hindrance on the benzene ring, then alcohol phenol can be converted into tertiary butyl ethers. सो यहाँ पर अभी एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. हमारे पास एक 4, ये जो कंपाउंड नंबर 6, देयर इज 4 Cl ग्रुप्स. सो if we disconnect it by, there is also 2 possibility. CCl3 group can be disconnected first or Cl group can be disconnected first. So we disconnect first Cl group by CCl disconnection, then but CCl3 group first we choose the FGI group because there is no direct direct reaction of CCl3 group with the chlorination. So we prefer FGI. CCl3 group can convert into CS3 group. Then we disconnect the CCl group by the CCl disconnection. So we get the toluene. Then toluene can be converted in the synthetic protocol, can be converted into this chlorination in presence of Cl2 and FeCl3. Then in presence of Cl2 and FeCl5, it can be converted into compound number 6. Then you will get the 93% yield of this compound. In the guideline 4, if there is some substituent are difficult to add, so it is best to start with them already present. If there is a compound number 7, यहाँ पर मिथॉक्सी ग्रुप है, NH2 ग्रुप है, NO2 ग्रुप है. तो यहाँ पर Me जो मिथॉक्सी ग्रुप है वो उसका इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक जो सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन है, देर इज़ नॉट बेट, मतलब बेंजीन रिंग पर इसके ऑक्सीजन का इलेक्ट्रोफाइल के लिए कोई बेस्ट रिएजेंट्स नहीं है. सो वी यूज़ एनिसोल एज इट इज़. एंड यहाँ पर जो फ्रीडल क्राफ्ट एल्काइलेशन विद प्राइमरी एल्किल हैलाइड इज ऑल्सो नॉट अवेलेबल सिंपल रिएजेंट्स. So we shall not add the MEO group. And in the analysis of this compound, we disconnect first NO2 group because it is most electron withdrawing group. So we disconnect it first. Then for the compound number 8, FGI function group interconversion. So it can be converted into NH2 group, can be converted into NO2 group. Then we disconnect the CN group because NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. So we get the methoxy anisole is the starting material. So we use this starting material for the synthesis of compound number 7. that methoxy group in presence of HNO3, we don't use H2SO4 sulfuric acid for the nitration, because if we use this sulfuric acid here for the compound number 10, then there is one more possibility to form the 2,4-dinitro anisole. So for the removal of this another compound, we use only HNO3 nitric acid group. Then we reduce this by titanium trichloride and H2O. This NO2 group converted into NH2 group. Then there is also one more problem, is that if we use the nitrating agent for this compound number 8, then we also not get the right product. सो बिकॉज यहाँ पर NH2 ग्रुप एंड मिथॉक्सी ग्रुप बोथ, ये दोनों ग्रुप ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टिंग होते हैं, दोनों ही ग्रुप एक्टिवेटिंग ग्रुप होते हैं. इसलिए यदि हम इसका डायरेक्ट नाइट्रेशन करवाएंगे तो हमारे को ये नाइट्रेशन जो है वो आपके NH2 ग्रुप के ऑर्थो पोजीशन पर, दोनों ऑर्थो पोजीशन पर हो जाएगा. इसलिए हम इसको NH2 ग्रुप को थोड़ा कम एक्टिवेटिंग बनाते हैं. उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, NH2 ग्रुप को हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं एमाइड ग्रुप में. तो एमाइड ग्रुप में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इसकी रिएक्शन करवाते हैं AC2O, ACOH और NH2O. तो ये NH2 ग्रुप कैन बी कन्वर्ट इनटू एमाइड ग्रुप. देन we use the nitrating agent only HNO3. Same thing is here, and we get the this nitro group at position ortho with regard to amide group. Then we hydrolyze this compound, then we get the 95 to 97% yield of this compound. Thank you.